What is the strangest DIY repair you've seen?
I had a guy come in and he said his engine was knocking really loud. And he had a hole in it about the size of a golf ball, and he completely covered it over with a piece of cardboard and JB Weld.
Cluster in their dash wasn't working. They taped a flashlight to the steering column so they could see at night.
A clothes hanger holding up the exhaust.
Mountain Dew can cut at either end and put over the hole in the muffler.
The steer knuckle was broken, and the previous owner had taken a hose clamp and reaffixed their lower control arm and ball joint back up into the knuckle with a hose clamp around it.